Good afternoon, everybody. It's the Mobile Home Mama jumping up into a home today. I know it's been, gosh, I swear it's been a whole month since I've posted a video, but I've had a busy month. So here we are. I love this floor plan, and I'm going to start showing even the floor plans that aren't shown on our website because sometimes we have some floor plans that are customized, hidden in our back pocket. So this is one of those. 1 bedroom, 1 bath, 14 by 44. And it is cute. So in a lot of cases, in the case of the thrifty, when you have a small home like that, a 1 bed, 1 bath, everything just kind of runs together, but not in the case of this home because we have a separator wall right here. Then peeking around the corner, and this is really cool, guys. Check this out. Coming into the kitchen, we've got a U-shaped kitchen right here going around like that, and then it changes over to an L. So what I think the coolest part about that is, check the sink out. So we've got a corner sink with a 30 by 36 window, glacier quartzite laminate backsplash on the countertop as well. We did a black appliance package and gas. So we've got a gas stove, dishwasher, microwave over the range, refrigerator. Coming over here, we've got our bank of drawers, furnace tucked away right there because let's face it, we've got to put it somewhere. And here we have the second door, or in other words, the back door. So notice we've got front door there, back door there. So doors on both sides, which is really helpful if you have some neighbors that you don't want to look at. So coming over here into the laundry area, and I don't talk about this too much, but we do offer a whirlpool set, washer and dryer. If you'd like to add that to your home, we can do that for you. Here I'm going to turn completely around. Here's the 1 bath. They've added the over the commode linen, the medicine cabinet, and just a standard nice simple vanity. Coming into the one and only bedroom. Look how spacious this is, guys. And then the real kicker was, I love how this ended up. Look here, we've got a deep closet. There's one side, flip it over, there's another side. So, and I'm gonna stand over in this corner so you can get an idea of just how big this room is. So here you have it. If you like it, I can build it. 1 bedroom, 1 bath, 14 by 44. This would be perfect in a park. It would be perfect for a vacation spot. You've got the family, everybody comes, uses this, uses that, and just a nice space to come in the evening and be with your family in. So I'm the Mobile Home Mama. My information is below, and I'd love to see you. I've got a lot of folks that just keep stopping by, and I just love that so much. So talk to you all soon. Bye-bye.